Hi guys! Today we're gonna make a slime. We got all these ingredients from Dollar Tree. We're trying to make a slime. Yes. So here we got some activator, 3 bags of foam balls, some green fish bowls, and some yellow fish bowls. And at the end we're gonna see if it turns out like slime and whose slime is better. It's gonna be me.
So, and on the next row, we have some Elmer's glue and red glitter glue and silver glitter glue and golden glitter glue.
So let's start making slime! My favorite part.
Yes.
So I'm gonna add this white. You want this?
Yeah. I love to. Okay, give me.
Okay. That's good. Pink foam balls, my favorite. I don't know how my slime is going to turn.
How is this gonna come?
Ah! I need a lot of shaving cream. I want a really fluffy slime. I love fluffy stuff.
Okay. Shut
Okay.
Dun,
Ah!
Hey.
So cute. So now I'm gonna add my pink foam balls.
Yeah. It's time.
Okay, that's good. Well, that's good.
Well, I'm gonna add
Now
that golden one. What's this? So
there, that's good. Well, that's perfect and perfect. Wait, that's too less.
Let's
I'll
put
add a little bit more. Nah, glitter glue.
I already started.
Oh wait, did I open the wrong way? Okay.
I got the golden. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yay.
Look at it. Now it's time for fishbowl time. I'm gonna put this. It smells nice. I need a spoon for this. Alright.
I added red glitter glue.
And I'm adding a little bit of activator. There, that's good. That's good. That's good. I need some more crazy art glue because I want a big slime, not a little slime. Shaving cream, actually.
I want more shaving cream. Just leave some for me, please.
Woo!
Leave some for me. I just want to
Which I'm
survive.
gonna eat this. Looks yummy.
No, don't eat it. It's just for
Ah, it smells so good. I'm gonna make it to the top. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna add some
a little bit more.
Yeah, you add the activator. I already add a little. Okay, so that's more. That's hard done.
So
I
I'm gonna start mixing.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix. I'm starting to mix around.
Oh no, I added some.
Oh no.
Oh no,
That
it's
looks
not showing
nice,
up.
actually.
It's not showing up. Ah.
Look at my slime.
Mine is not showing
It's
up.
so pretty. And it's getting more. It's
So,
getting together.
Now I will take this to
I'm
make
gonna add
it
some
better.
more. A little bit.
And I got
Get my slime
rainbow
together.
balls.
Add less.
Okay. Add some more. Add some more. Woo. After this, I'm gonna mix it with my hands because it's like so.
Okay, that's enough.
It's forming. Guys, look, it's forming together. It looks like our plan worked. Alright, now I'm gonna mix again. I need a lot of this. It's really helping me.
Mine's a white.
Oh, I don't like that. Look at mine, look at mine.
I still like mine.
Look at mine.
I want golden glue because it's not showing up that well.
Mine, I need to
And the
warm
balls are turning all white.
it. Good thing I wish it was a slime.
I wish it got a little bit darker too. Because
Some is not sticky.
I'll clean that later. Need to add some in the middle. fighting with this. Still white. Why?
Add the whole bottle.
The whole bottle? Got it. Listen.
I have a total fail. I am a total failure. Total 100% failure. I don't know any of these.
Mine's stretchy. And it has a lot of balls.
My slime is the winner. Maybe, maybe not. Then comment down below, hashtag the worst slime ever.
So mine came out so good, and it's very stretchy, and it has a lot of balls in it. So it's not stick to the plate, and it's what I think like it could be, but it's very stretchy and it's sticking to my hands. Look at my hands.